And so I was like, Mary Ann, put SEO rapper on my back. And everybody, are you the SEO rapper? Yes. That's the question right there. I mean, but really, how did it all start? Why did it begin? And the answer is basically, I work at Pop Labs, we're a social media firm, specialize in SEM, SEO, and that's my job. I sit there and AdWords editor and MSN Ad Center all day, doing keyword research, spending money, and trying to get people leads. Anyway, I had to do a presentation on link building, and after watching the 5 presentations before me with people with, boring PowerPoints and reading bullet points, I was like, I don't want to do that. I think I'll write a rap about it. And my partner on it, he challenged me, like, you can't do that, and, being a big sportsaholic, I was up to the challenge, so I wrote Link Building 101. We videoed it. Vice president of the company was like, man, we ought to put it on YouTube. I was like, well, I have a channel, haven't done anything with it because I only needed it to post comments. And so we uploaded it, and in 3 weeks it went up to 1,000 views. And I was like, wow, that was pretty cool. And somebody posted a comment, like, you ought to do one about paid search. Okay. And so I wrote Paid Search 101. And that one went real crazy. I think, what's my guy's name? Danny Sullivan blogged about it, then, and it went up to 30,000 views. Then March rolled around, and I had written design coding. And we shot the video in the office, and I was moments away from uploading it. Then we get a call from this guy named Kevin, who helped organize SES in New York. He was like, dude, you have to debut it up here. Do not put it on YouTube. Wait till you do it up here. So we made the trip to SES. We debuted it on day 2. And that was a Wednesday or Thursday. Anyway, by Monday, we got back to Houston, and it was at 10,000 views. It was crazy. Then a few people blogged about it. I Just Seen blogged about it. A few other people posted. And before you know it, it went from 10,000 views to 100,000 views in 3 days. And right now it's at 350,000. And so I got a whole bunch of other raps already written. PageRank is coming soon. AdWords editor is coming soon. Really haven't had time to do them.
So I've heard that PageRank is also a dancer.
Yeah, PageRank is a dancer.
Can you demonstrate?
You can lower your PageRank. Whoever seen the videos, I did it on conversion closing, and I was just kind of playing around at the end of the song. And then when we did design coding, I was like, I'm gonna do it again because it had a pretty good response. People were trying to do the dance at New York. And so,
I bet that was entertaining.
Yes, it was. Yeah. And so then, I even put a video. We had some fun in the subway. Some coworkers of mine who went with us, and I was trying to show them how to do it. And it's called Do the PageRank, whoever's searching for it. Because I know y'all searching, so I've been watching it. Every time somebody says a link, everybody's searching for it.
Really?
Yeah. But, and so, I had a lot of people asking about it. So the next song is called Do the PageRank. And y'all look out for it. The main thing I want y'all to understand, though, is that it's entertainment, it's fun, but the lyrics and the information contains, it's informative. I try my best to be good in my craft. I try my best to come to conferences like this and all over the country to increase knowledge about what's going on. One of the main reasons I want to come here is because we offer blogs and information to clients at Pop Labs. And so I had a lot of questions and answers here that clients asked me that I just really didn't know. And so, I'm down on WordPress. I got 2 sites, one hosted personally, one on the .com. For the titles, theseorapper.com, you can go there, WordPress blog, and poeticprofit.net. That's the other one that's hosted. So check those out when you get a chance.
Do you have a record label?
Got a record label, Most Serious Entertainment. That's my record label. I've been rapping since high school. I do gospel hip hop. Hence the name Poetic Prophet. and the cross and everything else. And so that's the rep I've always been doing. I'll continue to do that. Working on Volume 3 now. We've already released 2 albums, which they did pretty well. You know, I'm trying to break the new ground in regards to music. Like, you know, no need to go through the major distribution labels and instead take the digital distribution avenue. And it's been pretty well. It's been pretty well. Released it, you know, had like 5,000 downloads in like 3 months. It was crazy. So y'all praise me on that. Just, you know, if you believe in that, and I appreciate it.
So, one last question. Do you think this is the start of a new genre? Or is it just a one-off thing?
I won't say the start of necessarily a new genre, but it's definitely more than one-off. You know, I'm here now. Actually, next week I'll be in Atlanta doing something for Scripps Network and StomperNet. I just came from Seattle, did a plug with PBS for their show Biz Kids. Yeah, great show. They're airing that one in January. It's crazy. Search Rev, Eloquent, these are companies we've already recorded and shot, and they're editing right now. And
so I heard a rumor that you have WordPress.
Yeah, you know, I wrote something for WordPress, so y'all hear that in a minute. It's pretty cool. When I got the offer, I used to work with Mary Ann back in Houston before she, you know, joined Automatic. And me and her were like IMing one day, and she was like, "You ought to come to WordCamp." And I was like, "When is WordCamp?" You know. And so she told me, and before you know it, I spoke with Maya. I got an email from Matt, talked to Andy, and now I'm here. And it's a short story. But in preparation to coming here, I was like, I ought to write something for WordPress. And so I met with one of my producers. Matter of fact, the same producer, his name is Drelo. He actually did the design coding beat. I met with him, I was like, look, man, I know you don't know about WordPress. The majority of my peers aren't into technology at all. You know, I'm like a super geek to them. But look, it's a blogging company, man. These blogs that you read that I wrote is all hosted by them. So I need to beat about that. Something catchy, something, you know, short, 30, 40 seconds, won't be too long, that I can spit maybe 12, 16 bars, and we'll come up with something creative. He emailed me in MP3, I liked it. This was like in 1 week time span. Wrote the song on Monday, went to the studio on Wednesday, put it on my iPod, tried to cram it on the plane yesterday, you know, and here we are. So y'all bear with me, we'll get through it, but I think y'all like it.
All right, well, I'm not going to do it this year, so
yeah, so I bought my cheat sheet up here, so I'm moving to the podium. That way I can at least get through the whole song. So Soundman had the music. I'm ready to New York. Adrian to the tip.
very minimalist.
It won't play. Tell a joke.
It won't play. He said it won't play. No problem. Improvise. Took the SEO, matter of fact, y'all can help me with this. Since it won't play, you know, there was a time when they didn't have music, so we used it. So see if y'all can clap with me. We're gonna go on this tempo here. Yeah. Check it out. Yeah, the SEO rapper, what did you expect? This time on the grind for WordPress. I have a couple blogs, I don't know about you, but I use WordPress because I like how they do. You know what I mean? Visualize my dream, download a custom theme and push it to the extreme. Quit my domain, just simple and plain. It's time to get it poppin', just like champagne. Publicize my thoughts so they can feel my vibe. Use RSS so they can subscribe. Become engrossed to the latest post and search engine friendly. That helps the most. Not to brag or boast, but nobody's close. If you think a bad blog, get a WordPress dose. Now WP is my degree. Plus, it's all free, I guarantee. Now that's kind of dramatic, but I'm a WordPress fanatic. the SEO rapper, and I'm down with automatic. Integrated steps, spell checks and photos, previews, auto save and video. So, here we go, tell me what you want to do. If you want to blog, I'm putting to the W. So, here we go, tell me what you want to do. If you want to blog, I'm pointing to the W.